All right, so my first topic is going to be smart home technology. So first, the possible smart home technology devices are smart access and locks, security cameras, smart lights, multi-room audio, thermostats, vacuums. Those are just some of the possible devices that you can have. Current ones that you may already know about are Alexa, Google Home, Amazon Echo. Those are assistant devices. And then there's the Nest, that is a thermostat device. Ring is that doorbell, the security camera doorbell. And then Roomba is an example of a vacuum, a smart vacuum. So smart home technology is includes devices that are connected via the Internet of Things to automate and monitor home systems. And SMART stands for Self-Monitoring, Analysis, and Reporting Technology. So that's what that is. And then some of the uses are, as we've mentioned, control and monitor devices from a distance or from your work or phone. And then it offers more efficient ways to save energy and more efficient security. So that is a brief intro to smart technology.